to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for two. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. Tablescape Tuesdays is my favorite time of the week. So in this video today, we're gonna be decorating with wildflowers, and let me tell you why. So Tablescape Tuesdays today has a guest, and this is Jennifer at home. And she asked that we would decorate with wildflowers. Well, my tablescape does have some wildflowers, as you can see right here. And we will be going around the whole table. But I also decided to decorate with succulents. So that is what we're doing. So let's get started, guys. All right, so this beautiful centerpiece here, I decorated while on Alive. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I did not stick a ribbon in there because I didn't know that we were basically leaning toward the purple colors, guys. So let's start with the centerpiece. All right, so like I said, this was done on Alive. This really quick and beautiful DIY. It's a beautiful centerpiece. Okay, I will be doing more of those. Then I had done this floral ball in white and those lavender colors, and then I purchased this from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love it. Because I didn't place it anywhere and had it handy, I thought I would put one on either side of the floral ball. Now we're gonna come over here to this beautiful arrangement. So this does have wildflowers in there. I am loving it. So I can't name each one of these florals, but there are wildflowers. Now the vase, look at this vase, guys. Is that not gorgeous? So that was also one of my DIYs. And this beautiful centerpiece I created some time ago. And these florals all came from the Dollar Tree. The vase was thrifted, and now the embellishments were from BB Crafts. The chubby birds did come from the Dollar Tree. Now, I did thrift. Isn't this absolutely beautiful, guys? So I did thrift that succulent box from the Goodwill, and also this candle holder. I absolutely love that candelabra. The purple or the lavender candles did come from the Dollar Tree. I have my neutral background, guys, back there. I'm so happy with it. So let's take a look at this beautiful tablescape. I want to start out. I absolutely love this succulent. So we're gonna move that aside because I want to take this apart. Now I kept this clear, so this is from the Dollar Tree. All right, and so was that, I'm not sure if that, yeah, the succulents were from the Dollar Tree. So I kept it clear because we don't want to take away from that plate I'm getting ready to show you. And those are all succulents, which is the reason why I decided to go that route. And I'm really hoping that Jennifer absolutely loves my tablescape. I love to celebrate my guests. And then the Dollar Tree carried this navy blue charger, and it's in a matte finish. I absolutely love it. So we went with that. Then with the layering, let's take a look at how I layered. So this woven placemat, this came from Hobby Lobby. And so did this placemat. So this light burlap placemat came from Hobby Lobby as well. And then I thought I would go ahead and layer it this way. So I placed that. I've done this before. I placed a woven placemat on top of that. And then we went ahead and we used the navy blue charger. And now you could use any charger you want, but I thought it went very well with this plate. Beautiful. I love it. Then we went with the clear, like I said, because we didn't want to take away from those succulents. And then to top it off, I thought it was pretty awesome that I found these two succulents right for this tablescape. So Jennifer, I hope you like that. And This is party utensils that I got from Party City before they closed, guys. Then we have this beautiful pale yellow napkin, and the napkin ring did come from Party City as well. Now the napkin itself was thrifted, I believe, but the ring came from Party City. Now the Dollar Tree, if you can get them, are carrying this glass. I love the rib effect, and I love that touch of blue. So they did have it in the water glass, and that stemless glass. Now, we know that it's summertime, and so I absolutely love these. I was looking for a reason to use them. They were thrifted. I love them. So you can place your dessert on that plate. And isn't that cute, guys? I absolutely love that. So a tea party, I just hear tea party in the background. So that is what the tablescape looks like. I think the floral arrangements are absolutely gorgeous, especially that DIY vase. I gotta get on here and start making some more centerpieces. Then we have this one right here with the lavender in the jar. And then we have this pretty floral piece right here. And I have to move this around. So I kind of pulled it apart just to move it around and see if I can adjust the flowers. But this is an absolutely gorgeous centerpiece as well. And this is what my table is looking like. That candelabra is gorgeous. And I'm loving that succulent box. So I hope you guys are loving that as well. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. And the neutral wall definitely helps for when I do tablescapes in different colors. And so Jennifer, if you guys haven't been over to her channel, you need to go over there. This is one busy lady. Her home is gorgeous. I love her DIYs. I love her cleaning videos and just everything she does, guys. It's a lifestyle channel. And I absolutely love that, because so are mine. And so is everybody else who joins me, guys. So I'm so happy to celebrate her today. Head on over there, subscribe to her channel, leave her a beautiful comment, and also let her know, click the like button, guys, and let her know that I sent you. So now we're gonna head on over, take a closer look. Let's go to the reveal, guys. And also, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.